The next one is ftell function. Ftell function is used to get current position of the file pointer. So how we need to write it is ftell of file pointer. So in our C program we can use it as ftell followed by the file pointer name. Next one is rewind function. So rewind function is used to move the file pointer position at the beginning of the file. So we need to write it as rewind followed by file pointer name. So in our C program we can use it as rewind of given the file pointer name. So this is how we are going to use the rewind function. Now let us see a quick glance of the file input output functions. So here we have fopen of fp comma mode, which opens the existing file or creates a new file. Fclose of fp closes the file associated with the pointer. Close all, so it closes all opened files with fopen. FgetC of ch comma fp, it is nothing but reads the character from the current position and advances the pointer to the next character. Fprintf, write all types of data values to the file. Fscanf, read all types of data values from a file. Gets, read string from a file. Puts, write string to a file. Next, getW, read integer from a file. PutW, write an integer to a file. Next, fread, reads the structured data written by fwrite function. Next, fwrite, write block of structured data to the file. Next, fseek, set the pointer position anywhere in the file. Feof, detects the end of the file. Rewind, sets the record, that is the file pointer, at the beginning of the file. Ferror, reports error occurred while reading or writing of file operation. Fflush, clears the buffer of input stream and writes buffer of output stream. Next, ftell, returns the current position of the file pointer. So these are all the different file handling techniques.